This is great. I know there's something out there. A goat, I'm sure of it. Damn it, it's hiding nearby under all of our noses. The scent's so strong it should be right here in front of me.
Hiro? I think there's nothing up here.
Shh. Would you stop talking so loud, you stupid wolf? There was a goat around here just a moment ago.
Really? Could it be? Hiro, as I was saying before, I found a whole bunch of goats over there, on the other side of that rock outcrop. Tasty looking ones, for your mate.
Well done, Gabu. Thanks for coming to tell me. Keep a lookout here.
No problem. Mei?
Mei, watch out!
The heartless! Come on! We know how to handle them!
Mei, go! We'll catch you up.
Before I was playing pretend that we could survive on two sides of electric fence.